Welcome to a demonstration on how to create user databases. With Bio-Rad's KnowItAll software, you can build databases with spectra, chromatograms, structures, and properties. The software supports file formats from multiple instruments and vendors. Let's begin. If database building is available in your license, the KnowItAll tool will also say Create Database. Let's create a database by clicking on this tool. Open the database menu, select New, then click Browse to specify the database location and file name. Enter additional information, such as database code and copyright, then click OK. Your database has been created. Note the database code you specified appears on the Database tab. Next, we'll create our first database record by importing a Spectrum file. Click on the Import icon. In this case, we will select a single Spectrum file that has multiple spectra in it. The program gives you control over how you wish to import your spectra. You can import all the spectra into a single record or into separate records. In this case, we will import them all into the same record. You can also import all properties with the spectra automatically by checking the box. The spectrum appears in the database. You can see how there are multiple files within the record. We already imported some properties with our record in the last step. Now let's add some more. Click Add in the Properties pane. Then use the drop-down to view available property fields. First, we will add a web link. The property is added, and you can click on the link to open the web page. Use the KnowItAll Back button to return to KnowItAll. You can use the Attachments tab to add files such as PDFs to a database record. Click Add, and select the file you wish to add to the database record. An icon representing the attached file appears in the Attachments tab. You can double-click to open the attached file in the appropriate application. With KnowItAll, you can also add other spectral techniques or chromatograms to your record. We'll add a Raman spectrum. A Raman tab has been added to the Spectrum pane. We can use these tabs to examine the individual spectra. We can also use the split window feature to view multiple spectra at the same time. Now let's add a structure to this record. You can draw a structure using KnowItAll's built-in drawing tool, Draw It, or import a file. We'll import the structure. We will associate this structure with all the spectra in the record. The program also offers many advanced features that give you flexibility in creating your databases. For example, you can batch import multiple spectral files at once. You can also create custom properties related specifically to your laboratory that are not in our list of available properties. To do so, open the Database menu, then choose Define User Property Fields. Click Add, then enter a name for your custom property and any other data required. You can see the custom property field sample location has been added to the list of available properties. Now let's add data to our record using our new custom property. Select the property sample location, type in a value, assign it to all spectra, then click OK. That property is now added to our record. Beyond basic database building, Bio-Rad also offers enterprise solutions to centralize and share spectra, chromatograms, and related properties throughout your organization. If you are interested in finding out more on how to extend your database throughout your organization, please visit www.knowitall.com/enterprise. This concludes our demonstration on building user databases in the KnowItAll informatics system. Please visit our training site for additional demo movies or www.knowitall.com for more information.